everyone, welcome to my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing calamari. If you come to Canada, almost 90% of restaurant, one appetizer will be calamari. It's calamari fry. That's what I am showing you with little bit of touch of my secret ingredients. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's see the video. Buttermilk, combine well. Take a bowl like this. Flour, salt, lemon zest, garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, mustard powder. Combine well. The marinated calamari, peppers, red onions, sweet peppers or jalapeno, pickled ginger. Combine well. Place oil to fry. When the oil is hot only, then we start the next process to dust the calamari. If you have any excess buttermilk, strain it out. Get the calamari and let place in the flour. Then coat with the flour mix. Remove the calamari to a strainer. Remove the extra flour. When you're cooking this calamari, don't cook more than a minute. If its oil is too hot, just cook for less than a minute. Don't overcook. It will be cooked. No doubt about that one. If you overcooked, it will be a rubber. And the oil must be very hot. In India, we use a second method. We soften the calamari or meat. It softens first, then it goes to rubber, then we soften it in India. Here, we are using the first method. In the first softening, we are taking it. We can cook calamari, any seafood, and any meat like that. Within 5-6 minutes, we can cook a meat like beef. We can cook it out. But in India, we are doing it in a different way. We are cooking that one, then it goes to a rubber. Then we softening it by cooking it more and more. The oil is hot now. Let's fry the calamari. Tip: when you are frying this calamari, make sure small batches by batches, so it will be nice and crisp. Don't put a lump in, then start frying it. Then all the coatings we made, it will be all in oil. So in mind, don't forget. Let's fry the calamari. Batch by batch, huh? Just cook for a minute, not more than that. See? Very crispy. Let's remove from the oil. The calamari, we plated already. Now is the main step. We have to taste it. So let's squeeze some lemon juice on top. Then fry it out. See the calamari, well coated, crispy. Let's taste. Very nice. Not chewy, very crispy. All the flavors are there. Peppers, jalapeno and sweet peppers, onions, and finally the pickled ginger. It's enhancing the flavors of pickled ginger, so we can eat more and more. Very nice flavors. Let's try some calamari with the sauce. Wow, very good. Here I'm using the coconut chutney, coconut tomato chutney with this one. The traditional way of Kerala, right? That's why I'm using this one. But when you go outside, you will get garlic sauce, tasaki, or a tomato ketchup, curry ketchup. In my restaurant, I'm serving with a garlic sauce and a curry ketchup. So a lot of places they always use tasaki. It's a yogurt sauce with cucumber. But I made it my way. It's with our coconut tomato chutney. It goes beautifully with this dish. So it's very easy to make, very quick, fast. Show you the recipe, right? So you have to do something for me. Just a request. Please subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. And when you eat, you enjoy and eat. It's my way, Joss Moses Kitchen way. Wow.